Excellent salute! Present! Up!
I have the honor to present Ms. Mira Simone Wolzenberg, the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Netherlands to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which my King Willem-Alexander, His Majesty the King of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, has presented and addressed to you. He's accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Kingdom of the Netherlands to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor, Ambassador Bob Sahu.